Hi, welcome to Rachel T's Reviews. Oh, hold up. Whoa. Alright, now welcome to Rachel T's Reviews. So, we have our first pro wrestling crate. And our, second or third?
Like our third or fourth.
It's our third. I'm pretty sure. Because I think we both got one. And then, so this one, we got a shirt for our daughter. Is it the same box? No, it's this year's box, or this month. So this is the September box?
Probably September box.
Probably a September box.
Since it's, almost October.
So this is Wrestle Crate. This one, I had to write notes to compare the two prices of them. This one is $29.99. They also have a Wrestle Crate Lite, which is $14.99. So, Ooh, the Hardy Boys.
The Hardy Boys.
I almost got you that, and I'm glad I didn't now.
Oh.
So this is Eva's shirt.
The Pops.
It's big.
Matt and Jeff Hardy. Nice. Team Extreme.
Now this says it's a youth medium, but I mean it's... I guess that's about a youth medium, right?
What is it?
Looks a little... Canadian.
Destroyer.
Eva, we're making a video. Please stop. Canadian Destroyer. You can't see that. But this one is a shirt for...
Eva Boom.
Eva. Oh, cozy. Oh, it just says Wrestle Crate. I thought it would have a wrestler on it. Oh well. Still pretty cool.
Koozie collection.
Koozie collection. And as always, I like that. Is that Enzo?
That's Babe.
No, that's not Enzo.
That's the Macho
Oh,
Man.
that's right.
Cup of coffee in the big time.
Yeah. Oh, this tells you.
Cream of the crop. Always taking it to the top. Ooh, Christian.
It got a little bit wet because the bottom of this box is a little damp.
A little Christian autographed. Captain Charisma.
Now it says that these... Oh, okay. So the ones that have the star by them are not in the Wrestle Crate Lite. So...
You will not want to delete this,
delete. This one would not be in Wrestle Crate Lite and that koozie. But it looks like the other things would be. And they would probably throw in a couple other things as well.
Nice.
So
that's that.
now this, compared to Pro Wrestling Crate, which is a smaller box, but it does feel to be a bit heavier. I'm not sure. This one is $29.95. They also have a smaller version that's $14.95, and then they have a version that's even smaller than that for $9.95 a month. So, this is when you first open it.
Hashtag 3 boxes.
And these come with 2 shirts each time, by the way.
Spoiler alert.
So, the other side... Oh, next month's theme is Masks and Paint, Halloween edition. I don't want to flip it over because it'll tell us everything that's in the box, and I don't want to...
So, first things first is this shirt here. It is a size large. And it is the phenomenal AJ Styles.
They did say they would put that. Did I tell you that or no?
Oh, yeah, I think you told me that you could choose one of them. I can't read it.
Cabana?
Oh, Colt Cabana. Okay.
Oh,
Throwback.
Oh, I see the other side now. Okay,
Throwback,
cool
little
shirt,
old school. Colt Cabana. We're going, was that late 80s, early 90s probably? Colt Cabana.
Oh, it's not a keychain, it's just a little rubber figure.
Just a little...
Zach.
I've never heard of him. Zack Sabre Jr. He has a British emblem, so maybe he's a UK wrestler, assuming.
But I'm kind of heavy for what it is. I don't know if it's like metal inside or just sturdy lip.
I'm not sure who that is.
Well.
Flip Rodriguez, American Ninja Warrior. Just kidding.
Sorry, sick. Not feeling good. But I still have to make a video for you guys, so. This is also the Wrestling Network. It says the best $9.99 in the biz is the wrestling, now available on Roku.
Women's Wrestling Network, WWN.
So they've got this little card here.
We've got a Bruiser Brody, Wrestling's Last Rebel.
Disc 1. It was kind of heavy, though.
He was in an argument and got stabbed in the locker room and died.
For real?
For real.
For real? Not staged?
Not staged. legit got stabbed
Ooh.
from some other wrestler and died.
Yikes. Oh, this comes with 2 magazines. Hey-o.
Hey, what's this one? Lucha Brothers.
And
like the
Pro
Lucha
Wrestling
Underground.
Illustrated.
Ooh.
Omega
Kenny
is the
Omega.
alpha. We got Kenny Omega in the last Wrestle Crate, the other box that we just
Kenny Omega is a phenomenal wrestler.
And then this is Lucha Brothers. I feel like they're going to have something like Lucha related in the next box if they're doing masks.
2K19.
Ooh, what if they give us face paint?
$1 Million
I need
Challenge.
it. Alright, now this is nice that they put it in a separate envelope, unlike the other one. This is the
Ooh, it's the autograph.
autograph. We're going to have a nice little collection of autographs here by the end of it. Let's see here. Does it say? Oh, Dalton Castle. Autographed 8x10. Oh, yeah, that's what it says.
Yeah, Dalton
Yeah.
Castle. Not sure who that is, but
It's alright.
Flip Gordon.
You already said that, didn't you?
That's a Flip Rodriguez.
Oh, that's right. Flip Gordon. Now, luckily it has this little card that tells you everything.
Spoiler alert.
Yeah.
10% off. You're next.
And I guess they have different charities each month. This month's charity is, they donated to the Tracy Cadell Funeral Fund. Okay.
This is the best of the indies, number 4 crate.
Yes. Each one is themed, and I'm actually really excited for next month's, which makes me want to cancel that one and just keep this one. I like this one way more.
The Lucha?
Yeah, and the face paint. Masks and Paint, Halloween edition. This one didn't give you any spoilers.
Us Jeff Hardy
with the face paint. That'd be cool.
That'd be BA. But
What if
wrestling's
they
in
gave
like
me face paint so I don't have to buy it? Oh, wait, I already bought it.
Wrestling's in like 2 weeks, so we
Yeah.
won't get it.
True that. Oh, well.
Alright.
But it'll still be cool. They give you a mask. Probably some lucha or something. Right? Right. Probably. Alright. So, which one is your favorite out of the two? Oh, prices are exactly the same. One's like 4 cents more than the other. Actually, this is the cheaper one. The one that had the most stuff was actually the cheapest one. I say we stick with that. It doesn't have the Funko Pop figurines in it, though, which are kind of... I like those. They replaced those with...
That little guy.
These kind of things. Different action figures, I guess, which are still cool. But these would look cooler on a shelf or... Still...
Team Extreme, Hardy Boys.
I do like those. I'm glad I didn't buy it for you now, because I almost did.
If you didn't watch when they came back to the WWE at WrestleMania 33, watch it. Goosebumps. Literal.
Alright.
Goosebumps.
Well, our son is waking up and starting to cry, so we're just going to end it there.
Apparently,
I would say that Pro Wrestling Crate was cooler than the other one, maybe. But I also like those
Did we cancel that
Funko
one?
Pops. No, we have not canceled it yet. We can keep both. I don't care either way. But this is going to try to be a deciding factor, but I'm really excited about the Halloween edition, and I kind of want to see what Halloween edition they do in the other box. So we'll probably keep it,
at least
both
for another
of
month.
them, for another month.
Gotta go.
All right, bye.